Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I have an exciting unboxing. It isn't cube related, it is puzzle related though. I'm really excited to do this one and I hope you guys are too. Well, I guess the video is now cube related though. Roll the intro. Okay, so I want to take this opportunity to thank Culmo Puzzles for sending me these to review. I'm gonna open one box and I'm gonna keep the other box for another video, so consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Okay, let's take a look at the puzzles. Puzzles? I said I would unbox one. Let's take a look at the puzzle. Okay, so the first thing I'm noticing is the really good smell of the wood. So the box itself is an MDF type wood. Let's check it out. It is the Butterfly Kitten, Culmo Natural Accessories. That's the company. And on the side you have some, really cool engravements. It's like engraved and burned into the wood as well, so it looks very detailed. On the side you have the type of puzzle, how many pieces that are in it, so 367 pieces. This is going to be a big puzzle. This is what's on the back of the box. Okay, so let's open it. So yeah, cool. The product itself seems well packaged. Let's take a look at the pieces. So yeah, these are indeed a lot of pieces. They look super cool though. It's not like a normal puzzle like you would assume. All the pieces have a different shape, which looks super cool. Look at that. Whoa. There's even a cat engraved into one of the pieces. This is so epic, man. Look at that. And here you have another. Man, this is so cute. And these pieces are all plywood pieces. Do you want to see a happy cat as well? Wait. Yeah, this is another different cat. A real cat. Do you like it, Maya? She also smells the wood, I reckon. Okay, let's get into solving the puzzle. Okay, it is finally solved. It took a while, but it was, very satisfying to do. I took some notes when I was solving the puzzle. So first of all, the puzzle is very detailed, and like I said, it's very calming to solve. and the pieces itself are of very high quality. So the puzzle is made out of plywood, and the plywood is cut by a laser cutter. I really love the wooden smell of it, and it smells very good. And one thing I noticed about the puzzle is sometimes I had a piece laying next to where it's supposed to be, and I didn't find where it had to go. So this made it very fun to do and to solve. And yeah, when you solve it, time flies by. I had to do this solve in 2 sittings. Mainly because when I was solving yesterday, it was 2 a.m. and I thought, let's solve this puzzle tomorrow. One thing I would say about the puzzle, it is a bit unstable-ish. That's not a bad thing, but I would recommend solving this puzzle on let's say a mat or like a rubber mat to prevent the pieces from shifting. This is on the table, and as you can see, yeah, the pieces slide easily. Like I said, this is not a bad thing. It's a very well produced puzzle. Culmo Puzzles fully produces their puzzles by themselves. They don't outsource anything, so yeah, it's amazing how detailed this puzzle is, how well packaged it is, and yeah, overall it looks just cool. Look at it. Just look at it. And if you check out this puzzle from a closer distance, you can see cats, another cat, a turtle, a rabbit, a cat. This is like a bear type thing, a sleepy cat, yeah, and a fish too. And here you have a mouse as well, a dog. Yeah, like I said, these puzzles are super detailed. The last thing I noticed is, like on a normal puzzle, when you get to the lost pieces, it's fairly easy. Whereas on this one, it was still difficult, so that's a plus. I really loved solving this puzzle. I also would like to thank Culmo Puzzles for sending me this puzzle to review. I have another one that I'm going to be solving and reviewing in another video, so hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to purchase this puzzle, I'm going to put a link in the description where you can buy it. Culmo Puzzles has an Etsy store, and yeah, they have lots and lots of wooden puzzles, these type puzzles, in their store. So please go check them out. It's really awesome to solve. I also want to mention how fast the shipping went. The package came in after 3 days. It was super well packed and was sent via DHL. Okay, this was it for the video. Belgian Speedcuber out.